What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today we're going to be making another Jeremy Oertal cocktail, and this one's called a Bitter Mai Tai. It's just a little twist on the Classic Mai Tai. It's awesome. I love it. And I'm really increasingly beginning to love this guy's drinks. He created it for a Brooklyn bar called Dram around 2011. And when Marius and I went to New York recently, the first night that we went out and went to this place called Donna, which Jeremy Oertal did some of the cocktails for, and he has this drink called the Bron Colada, which I will absolutely put on this channel. And that Bron Colada is just like one of my favorite things. I loved it so much. And this guy's just got some great drinks. So that's all I got really to say about it. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this one. This is a very kind of interesting twist on a classic tiki drink. So let's get into it. All right, first thing we're gonna do is just 1 ounce. No, sorry, 1 ounce. I said half, I meant 1. 1 ounce of lime juice. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of orgeat, almond syrup, 1/2 ounce of dry curacao. I'm gonna do using the Pierre Ferrand dry curacao. But if you wanna use like a Grand Marnier, I guess you could. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Smith & Cross, the nice hefty 114 proof Navy strength rum. Jamaican rum, too, no less. It's nice and funky. And then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Campari. Voila, bada bing, bada boom. I am waiting in anticipation of this cocktail already. We're gonna do a little Scotia pants of crushed ice because this is what I like to do. Right? So basically what you're doing is you're putting a little Scotia crushed ice in there, and that gives it a little bit of chill. It gives it a little dilution. You're starting those things out. You don't want to chill and dilute too much because you'll be doing that it'll be chilling and diluting as it sits on its crushed ice. But the other thing you're doing is giving it a nice whip shake because you want that aeration, you know? You want the air inside the tin to circulate and aerate the lime so you get like a nice texture on this drink as well. And you can feel free, if you put a little Scotia crushed ice in there, to just shake or just like whip it until the crushed ice is completely diluted. You don't have to, but you can. And we gotta pour our cocktail in. Oh, it smells so good. I gotta tell you guys that there's nothing better than Campari and Jamaican rum together. That flavor combination is just... it's the bee's knees, my friends. It is the bee's knees. And look at that nice aeration we got on this cocktail. It's like nice and fluffy. It's a little frothy. We're gonna add a little mint sprig garnish here. See these nice long mint sprigs. Just break it off. Give it a slappy poo, but give it a crushy pants. I'm gonna put that right here. And then we're gonna do a little lime wheel. If you want, you could also do like a dehydrated lime wheel. I wanted to dehydrate some lime wheels because I dehydrated some and I had some for episodes. Then we had this mold thing happen in the house and I got paranoid and I threw them out, and then Marius laughed at me. All right, I also gotta grab this so we can actually taste it. This is kind of a long straw for this, but you know what? It's all right, let's taste it. Oh, by the way, a little note on just like execution. When you have a sprig of mint, you actually want to put your not too long, but you know, good size straw right into the mint so that when you drink, you're actually smelling the mint, which is gonna inform the flavor of the cocktail. Oh man, that is heavenly. Oh my God, that's so good. Jeremy Oertal, I'm saying it right now. You don't know who I am, but I think you are one of the best bartenders working in the industry today. Every cocktail that I make every cocktail I create that you have created, every cocktail that I make that you have created, that's the way to say it, is phenomenally balanced. It's just like, so you get the hogo, kind of rotten banana funk from the Jamaican rum with Campari is such a winning combination. You've got the lime juice providing a nice amount of tartness, but then balanced out by the sweetness and dryness of the curacao, which you can get right on the back of your palate, and then also the texture and also flavor of the orgeat, which is not lost in this drink. It is wonderfully balanced. It is a wonderful cocktail. It is a very, I'm gonna have a hard time not just finishing this before we shoot an end screen. I mean, shoot day is my favorite day because it's the day that I have an excuse to drink from like 9 o'clock in the morning. I know, that just made me sound like an alcoholic, but that's fine. I think we all are to some extent if we're watching this channel. I mean, let's be honest. Anyway, in a responsible and positive way though. There you have it, my friends. Jeremy Oertal's Bitter Mai Tai, one of my absolute favorites because I just made it and I love it so much. You guys should go check out Donna if you guys are in New York. That is a great bar. It is sort of like a Tiki, Mexican-inspired cocktails. They got little plates of good food. Marius and I ate at a Brazilian restaurant ahead of time, and then we're kicking ourselves that we didn't just get food at Donna because it just looks so good. So we actually didn't eat there, but we did have quite a few cocktails. And the cocktails were so good, it inspired Marius to drink one. Isn't that right, Marius?
Yes.
And he doesn't normally drink, do you?
Nope.
Nope. But they looked so good that he was like, I gotta have a cocktail. And then he ended up having two, I think.
No, it was just...
No, I think you had two.
I think I bought two, but I only had one.
No, well, I had some sips of both of your cocktails, but I think you had two. He's not willing to admit it, but I think he had two. All right, guys, that's it. Go make your Bitter Mai Tai. Enjoy it in this nice, if you're in LA, very hot season. If not, in your cooling down season. I'm not sure what the haps is on the weather in New York, but either way, or other parts of the country, or other parts of the world for that matter. But either way, whether it's cold or whether it's hot, this is a wonderful drink and you're gonna love it, so go make it. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. Check us out on Patreon. We've got some exclusive content there, and I'm telling you, there is more and more exclusive content there. We have rejiggered the tiers. They are awesome. You should check them out. Patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly. Anything else that I'm missing, Marius? Oh, by the way, if you love our nice aprons, we are, obviously sponsored by Staggerly Goods, but a lot of people have not been using the code. So go to barflyslg20 at checkout, and you will get 20% off your apron if you decide to order one. And Surfside Sips have provided us with our lovely high impact glass straws that we love so much. And we also have a discount code there. So that's just barfly at checkout at Surfside Sips, and you go and get it. I don't know. Get some glassware and get some straws, and I don't know. I'll see you guys on another time.